Ever find yourself accidentally activating a color filter on your iPhone? It's easy to do and can be frustrating when you can't figure out how to turn it off. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In this quick video, I'll show you how to turn off color filters on your iPhone in just a few simple steps. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the settings, scroll down, and tap on Accessibility. After that, tap on Display and Text Size. When you are on this page, scroll down, and you will see the Color Filters option. So go ahead and tap on that. As you can see, it is currently turned on. So in order to turn the color filters off, simply tap over here. And now you have successfully turned off the color filters on your iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.